Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to watch Netflix with friends online or watch party. Let's get started. Step 1 is to use your Google Chrome. You must be using Google Chrome browser for this method to work. If you don't have one yet, download and install Google Chrome. Now open Google and type Chrome Web Store and the search bar, and here click the first result to open the official Chrome Web Store. And here in the search bar of the Chrome Web Store, type Netflix Party. Look for the extension titled Teleparty or Netflix Party, or watch Netflix remotely with friends. And here click Add to Chrome to install it. And once installed, you'll see a TP or NP icon appear in the top right corner of your browser. Now go to netflix.com and sign in to your account. Choose a movie or TV show you want to watch with your friends. And start a watch party. Click the teleparty icon in the top right corner of your Chrome and select Start the Party. A unique invitation link will appear. Copy this link and send it to your friends. And your friends must also be using your Google Chrome and have a Netflix party installed. When they click the link, the Netflix will open and they'll join your watch room. Everyone's video will play in sync. You can chat on the side panel while watching. Take note that each person needs their own Netflix account and must install Teleparty extension. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.